Jake Shimabukuro is preparing to join Bette Midler on stage in a concert before an audience that includes the Queen of England. Getting ready meant shopping for a wardrobe that would be fit for a meeting with the Queen. We started in the dressing room at Neiman Marcus. So do you still feel like Pretty Woman?
Yeah, I'm waiting for the escargot to fling across the room.